So this is our last day in Phuket. Actually, we're here tomorrow morning, but we're leaving super early to get on a plane and head to Bangkok. So we've already had breakfast and it's I'm so full. So we decided to get up and go for a walk. It's about 9 a.m. right now, or a little bit after 9 a.m. In Phuket. And we decided to come over here and look for this place right here. Da number 1. It's supposed to be a really cool Chinese seafood place. And last night when we were out to eat, we saw some people eating these lobsters, which are awesome up here. It's funny, the lobsters up here don't have claws. They're just big giant lobster tails, and people are eating them up, and it looks so good. And I guess this is one of the places where we're gonna go try that tonight.
How much is it for this thing?
So if you want to eat, I cook for you too, madam. Maybe half garlic and half maybe you want spicy or not spicy also I can do.
$77.
Yeah, that's for 1 kilo. This is not 1 kilo.
Oh, 1.4. This is 1.3.
So multiply that times 1.3.
1.3.
1.3. So it's like 32.
Maybe 3,200.
3,200? Yeah.
How much for that lobster?
Or if you want a small one also, we have madam, like medium size. But this is better if you want to try big one. This is about 1 kilo. But I recommend if you want to try this one better. Because you cannot every day.
Yeah. Well, we try maybe dinner tonight.
No
we
problem,
ate
sir.
already
Yeah,
dinner.
we
This
have
is really
prawn,
cool.
whatever you want,
Ooh,
everything
look
like
at those
tiger, everything has there. So you can come back more seafood like evening.
Evening, yeah.
Okay, sounds
Okay,
good.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you also.
No video.
No video?
Why? Half kilogram, 1,600 half kilo.
1,060. Zero point six. 0.6.
Do they taste the same? Is the same? Taste the same?
I don't know. I never eat.
No, I'll never eat? Oh.
Yeah. I don't know
Let's
about
get
this.
Let's get that big one.
Yeah. Yeah, please wait.
Ooh. Wow, they look big
I
here.
think it is the same.
Same with that one?
This maximum this is same size.
Same size? Yeah, same size. Yeah, same size. Okay. Yeah, that's okay. We'll take that.
It's small.
They look so big in here.
Yeah. It's not much meat.
Yeah.
It's fine. Would you like to do something for this?